My name is Adenime Amajibola. I'm one of the planning committee of Ibadan Eid Fest.
This is my first time being into an Eid Fest all my life, and I expect it to be very fun and enjoyable. But this year I'm expecting something more interesting, something more fun, like seeing many people. It should be like a connection. People.
The main purpose of this event is to bring peace and unity. As we all know that Islam is a religion of peace.
And I'm live here at the Eid Phase 7.0 at the University of Ibadan Central Mosque. I love everything I've been seeing so far. And I'm hoping to see a lot of my friends from school, and I can't wait to get started.
In case you have not seen me for a while, this is me, and keep it locked on this channel today.
No, this is not my first time. The game that I like that should be skipping.
Games, to catch funds, and to play around with friends.
This is my third time of coming to this program. Since I've been coming, it's been an interesting program, and I'm expecting this one to be more interesting than.
This is my second time of coming to Eid Fest, and I hope it's going to be much better than the last one. I want something massive. So as I was seeing this, I know it's going to be massive and impressive. So
I expect everybody to have fun and be good, be organized, and just have fun. That's what.
هذا كتاب الله يحييني بهداه هو قرآن فيه جنان يرشدني بضياء هو قرآن فيه جنان يرشدني بضياء هذا كتاب الله توضأ وتطهر بخشوع فاقرأ واترك كل متاع الدنيا بسم الله تعالى فابدأ
واقرأ آيات القرآن آلاء روح ريحان سبح رب الكون وقل سبحان الرب الرحمن
هذا كتاب الله يحييني بهداه هذا كتاب الله يحييني بهداه هو قرآن فيه جنان يرشدني بضياء هو قرآن فيه جنان يرشدني بضياء فيه الحكمة والأحكام لنعيش بحب وسلام معجزة لرسول الله وبه يتباهى الإسلام
فيه تجلى كل جمال في قصص عبر أمثال أسرار علم قانون ودروس تهدي